Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste your effects across multiple different clips in Final Cut Pro. So in this project, as you can see, we have two different clips right here. We have the one that I've got selected and this one right here. And in this first one, I've added some effects such as a color board on there. I've also added some audio effects such as loudness and a limiter. And basically what I want to be able to do is copy the exact same effects on this clip and put them over to this clip right here, just so I haven't got to go in and add them all manually again. So to be able to do this, all you need to do is go ahead and click Command C so that you copy the attributes of this clip. And then you need to go and select the clip that you want to paste into. You can obviously hover over multiple clips, and then you want to hold Command, Shift, and then V. This is going to come up with all of the different paste attributes that you're going to be pasting from this clip right here, which is import fix clip 4, over to import fix clip 7. You can actually pick and choose which ones you want to go over, but in my case, I want to take all of these over. So I just go ahead and click paste. And then as you can see, if we click on our second clip, we have all of our effects now added, and we have successfully copy and pasted our effects from one clip to another on Final Cut Pro. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.